Hey there, well, this is Jeffrey Navarez, and I want to talk about the blues scale today. And the blues scale is just a minor pentatonic scale with a flat 5. So if we were in the key of E, we have E, G, A, B flat, B, D, and E again. So that's 1, flat 3, 4, flat 5, 5, flat 7, and then 1. I was teaching a student a guitar solo this week, and he wanted to try to transpose that solo into another key and play some licks in a different feel. So one of the first things we talked about is trying to see the licks within a framework of the patterns. There's 5 patterns to the pentatonic scale, or 5 patterns to the blues scale. And I was saying to him, well, you know, the lick starts on a flat 7. Then it goes to 1. Then it goes to, say, flat 3. Trying to tell him, well, you know, if we're in the key of E, well, that starts on the 4th note of the key. I'm just going to take a little piece of it just to demonstrate. So it went 4, 5, flat 7, 1, flat 3 to 1. And I got to thinking, what if I could figure out a way for students to learn where the notes are quicker? And so I came up with this idea of some stickers for the guitar neck, and they're available on Amazon. So the 4 is pink, you can see the 5 is light blue, the 7 is green, the 1 is the root is a red circle, flat 3 is gray, and we're back to the 4. So I'm going to look for my pink note. Here's my pink one. So what did I do there? It was 4 to 5, flat 7. So when we are able to find the same sounds across the guitar neck, we'll be able to make a more lyrical solo. So one of the cool things about knowing where the notes are is you can really develop motifs. I'm finding that 4 little vamp. So those licks, I'm thinking of the same notes. I'm trying to think of the same motif, you know. So I'm going to try to put a little motif together. So that little riff, I messed that up. I try again. I can think of that by starting at knowing about what note I started on the 4. Went to flat 3, 1, flat 7. Same thing. Now at the end I had to change it a little bit. So the way that I'm getting these motifs is I'm thinking about what scale degree, and I'm hearing the same thing. I'm hearing that scale degree in my head, and I'm knowing where it is. The stickers are removable. I can put any key that I can change them in any key. I got them right here, actually. knowing where those notes are on the neck has been really helpful. And you don't want to keep them on there. They're meant to be training wheels. So stickers are reusable. So I'm going to take one off just to show you. I'll take this one off here. And lift them both up. Pretty cool. They're made out of cloth. And so here's the sticker. And now when I try to put it back on, I can use a business card, and I'll stick some of it on there and I'll snake it through like this. And put it on. Sometimes I don't have the card, so then what I do is I use a guitar pick. That works too. So now I'm just going to line it up, put it right next to the fret, and there we have it. I hope some people find use for these stickers. I would really love to hear your comments to see what you think could be improved or what you like about them, what you don't like about them. I'd love to get any other suggestions on videos that you'd like to hear. So please subscribe to my channel if you like the information. My channel is mostly about music education and guitar. Trying to be a good musician but who plays guitar. So please like the video and absolutely leave a comment of what you'd like to hear about. Again, thank you so much. My name is Jeffrey Navarez, and I hope to see you soon.